Alright, so I'm going to review this Nitecore F1 charger. So this is what we got here. This is what came in the box. It's the Nitecore F1 charger, so it holds a handful of different batteries. What this guy is it's a portable battery pack with a USB in the front and the back of it. So what you have here is you take your, this is a 18650 battery, and you plug this guy in there, and then you notice these little lights will light up, and it tells you how much batteries in it. So you can take a look at that. So right now I'm at two bars out of 3 because I was charging my phone earlier with this. What you can do is plug the USB right into the side here. The USB cable does not come with it. I had this laying around from some other battery packs that I use. And then when you want to plug this guy in, simply just plug it into your phone, and you'll notice that the power charging light comes on here on the phone. And then you can also see that the charging lights are lit up here. So there's 2 out of 3 bars, so I'm at 60-ish, 66%-ish battery power in this guy. When you want to charge this up, all you have to do is flip this cable around, and you can take this out of this end. Now you can plug the micro USB into this end, and then you can just plug this right into the wall. So once you do that, then you can charge this guy up, and you're all set. Alright, so it comes with these little metal rubber straps here that are to hold the battery in place when you're using it. So kind of just pull these around. They're a little bit difficult to get over, but you can definitely get them on there. And it holds the battery in there so it doesn't come out when you're using it as like an external battery pack. So that's a nice feature. It's pretty straightforward though. It's, you know, an awesome little external charger and a power pack for your batteries when you're, you know, taking your phone out or taking out a GoPro and you need to charge it USB. You can charge anything USB and then charge it from a laptop or whatnot. So it's a pretty cool little charger pack here. All right, so a couple really cool things about the power pack is when you first drop in the battery, you'll notice these lights starting to blink here. They're not just blinking random things, they're actually blinking what the voltage is on the battery. So if we disconnect this and push it back in, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 3.8 volts. So the first one is going to blink because of the first decimal point, and then the next one is for the after. So it's really nice to know what your battery volts are. All right, so another cool thing about this is it's going to terminate all of the output once the battery voltage is below 2.8 volts, which is pretty low for the 18650s, but it is still in the safe zone. And then it's also going to blink when the battery voltage is below 3.3 volts. So it's going to give us some blinks here and tell us, you know, when our battery is getting really low. So this is going to offer a maximum of 1000 milliamp output for your charging devices, which is, you know, pretty much what you have in those wall chargers to plug in your phone or charge your GoPro or charge another flashlight up if you have any USB flashlights. So on average, they say if you're using Nitecore's 3400 milliamp batteries, you can charge a GoPro 2 times. You can charge a digital camera battery about 1.5 times. And then you can also charge a smartphone around 1.5 times. So let's take this battery back out and kind of show you guys the charger again and show you how it works here. So this fits multiple types of batteries. This is just a nice little spring here. You can pop in all the different sizes there. And then we have the USB out, and then we have the micro USB in. So when you're charging a battery, you use this end, and when you're charging something else, you use that end, just like you're going to plug in a USB. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Pop the battery in and you're ready to start charging. Pop one of these little strips around it so it doesn't fall out, and you're all covered.